Namaste, good morning India. You have all heard stories of wish tree, magical tree, call trees. You have seen yourself with your eyes while visiting many temples over different parts of your country or different parts of the world. There are certain tall trees which are called as wish trees. Miracle trees, magical trees. What people do? They go to the tree and put up their desire, put up their wish, or sometimes they write it on something and tie up with the tree. You may have seen tying up certain things with the trees and put up a wish before the call tree, before the wish tree, that I want lot of money, I want good relationships, please give me the tree. And people believe it that this will happen. A man heard the story of a wish tree. Therefore, he decided that he must go and search the wish tree in some forest. What he did, he took his GPS and started in the woods and searching the wish tree. He saw beautiful trees, tall trees, small trees, bush trees, but could not identify that which is the wish tree because there were large number of trees. After 3-4 hours journey, the man is tired and exhausted. Decided to sit down under a very tall tree which had lot of shades and fruits in it. And slowly as he sat down under the tree, he slept. He was tired, he slept and went into the dreams. And in the dreams, he found the wish tree has appeared. And he said, let me test the wish tree. In the dreams, he says, I am thirsty, give me water. And he finds in the dream water has come, he is drinking water. Then he says, I am hungry, give me food. The food comes. He eats the food in the dream. Then he says, I am poor, I want money. And he finds lot of money pouring in. And he takes it and puts it in a box. He says, oh wish tree, give me gold, and the gold coins start coming. Then all of a sudden his mind, these are positive visualizations, positive wishes he is doing. All of a sudden his mind thinks that it is all imaginary and is a trick. Some trick is there, it is not actually a wish tree. Then he says, oh demon, this is not a wish tree. As soon as he says word demon, the demon appears. The evil appears. Now the man is frightened in the dream. He starts running out of the tree. Leaves everything behind and starts running. My dear friends, what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is very simple. That any tree can be a wish tree. Any plant can be a wish plant. If you so desire, you can make it, you can imagine it. And if you put positive wishes, then positive things are going to happen. And if you will have negative thoughts coming in your mind, negative wishes, then those plants or tree may give you the negative things. So what I will do then? I want to create my own wish tree or wish plant. Either I will go to a tall tree in a garden and will make it a wish tree and will use some breathing techniques to connect with the tree and put up my wishes and desires. Or at my home, if I am at my home, then I am picking up a plant and making it a wish plant, wish tree. This is my tulsi, So I decide that I will make this my wish tree, my wish plant, and will put up my wishes, my desires before this plant to be fulfilled. And I will use some breathing techniques, connect this plant with my breathing. The greatest gift of God is breathing. By breathing in, inhale, exhale, the oxygen is going in, carbon dioxide coming out, and plants, you know what they are doing, they take carbon dioxide, photosynthesis is taking place in the plants, and then the connection takes place between me and the trees. They are taking carbon dioxide, giving oxygen. I am taking oxygen and giving CO2 to the plant. So I will use breathing technique and make my tulsi as my wish tree. So you can experience it, you can try it, and get your desires fulfilled. Okay, what I am going to do, taking my glasses off. I am sitting comfortably on a chair. I am closing my eyes. I will inhale from the nostril, exhale from the nostril. Deep inhale, my chest, my belly, collarbones, they will be filled with oxygen. Expand. When I exhale, they will contract. Collarbone, chest, belly. Experience it. Okay, and this is my wish tree, wish plant, which is before me at my home. Now I am starting breathing exercises, connecting my breaths, oxygen in, CO2 out. Plants, CO2 in, oxygen out. Sunlight. So I am going to have a connection with the plants and the trees, my wish tree, and start the exercise. Start breathing. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Keep inhaling, exhaling. Follow the breath from the two nostrils. Count 1 to 10. When inhale and exhale 1 is complete, then 1 inhale and exhale 2 is complete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I will put up my wish before the wish tree or wish plant I have chosen. My wish plant is tulsi. I want good health. Keep breathing. I want good relationships. Keep breathing. These are my wishes which I am imagining in my mind. I am putting up before my wish tree. I want to earn a lot of money. I want to be successful in my career. I want to score 100% marks in my exams. I want to be a very good athlete. I want to play very good music. I want to eat healthy and nutritive food. I want to be a good runner. I want to have very good friends. I want to be loved. I want to be kind. I want to be compassionate. I want to give up anger. I want to give up jealousy. I want to heal myself. I want to forgive myself, and I want to forgive others. Keep inhaling. Put up your desires and wishes before your wish plant or wish tree. Keep breathing. Focus on the breath from the two nostrils, how it is entering your mouth, your neck, your chest, your belly. When you inhale, experience the feeling, feel the breath which is leaving your body. Keep on doing this exercise for a few minutes. Four minutes, 5 minutes. Put up your desires and wishes. Hold your hands. Slowly and slowly come back and experience the vibrations in your body. Experience the sounds of the surroundings, the sounds of the traffic, the birds, dogs on the streets barking, any other sound which is reaching your ears, the sounds of the vehicles, cars, different thoughts coming in your mind. Let them go, don't stop them, let them come and go. Focus on your wish, focus on your desires which you are putting before the call tree, before the wish tree, before the magical tree. You will experience that if you are visualizing, you are putting good wishes, positive wishes, the law of attraction will work and it will attract from the universe positive things, and sooner or later you will experience a lot of good things are going to happen. And I would say experience it, connect your breaths with the breathing of the plants and trees and experience this process. Come back, fold your hands, heat energy is produced. This is a healing energy. Rub, gentle massage your eyes, your face. Attitude of gratitude to the wish plant, to the wish tree, to the universe, to the God. I thank you, universe. I thank you, God. I thank the wish tree that you have heard my desires, my wishes, and I hope they will be fulfilled. And I am promising I will take action for the desires which I have put up before you. नमस्ते, थैंक यू वेरी मच. मैं फिर मिलता हूँ किसी नई स्टोरी के साथ. आवर पर्पस इज दैट यूज द नेचुरल वेज, योर ब्रीदिंग टेक्निक्स to motivate you and get the desirable results, the things, your dreams be fulfilled and you get what you want. Namaste. Okay.